Remember the days when you actually used to have a Blackberry phone and you'd play that cool like ball crusher game? I forgot what it's called, but like that tile crusher game. Well, if you're like me, you probably remember when Blackberry suddenly just fell off the face of the earth and it became Android versus or Samsung versus iPhone instead of Blackberry versus iPhone. And Blackberry used to be a pretty dominant company when it comes to handheld devices, when it comes to cell phones. But what happened to that company? Well, you see, now BlackBerry doesn't actually make phones and they've shifted their business, and recently their stock has been exploding. My name is Radies, and in this video I'm going to be talking about exactly what is up with BlackBerry, why, if you should invest into the company, and pretty much just go over what's been going on recently because things have been getting crazy. Wall Street bets, did you do it again? Well, yes, Wall Street bets, similar to GameStop, did actually pump this stock up for a bit, but I don't think that's the only reason why this company actually is growing. And you see, with GameStop, if you haven't already watched that video, go check it out, but pretty much this whole Reddit community decided to pump up this stock, and I thought, whoa, is the same thing happening with BlackBerry? Because with GameStop, I don't really see growth in that company. But with BlackBerry, there's actually a bit of potential. Let me tell you exactly why. So if you aren't already aware, BlackBerry is currently trading at around $23. At the time I'm making this video, it's actually 1 o'clock on Tuesday, and shares are just going crazy. You see, on Monday, which was yesterday, stock was nearly up 40%, and the stock closed at $22.92, so pretty much $23, which brings it up at a total gain of 28%. In fact, yesterday, BlackBerry even announced that they are not aware of any material, undisclosed corporate developments and has no material change in its business affairs that has not been publicly disclosed that would account for the recent increase in the market price or trading volume of its common shares. So again, a lot of people are saying that, hey, the whole reason behind the hype behind this is, again, because of Wall Street bets, because they've been pumping up the stock. Another thing to note is recently BlackBerry and Facebook actually reached a settlement over patent royalties for undisclosed terms. Basically, there was a bunch of crazy legal action being taken on from either side of the company, and I guess now that they've reached a settlement, things are looking a bit more clear and a bit more safe for BlackBerry. Another thing to note is during the beginning of December 2020, BlackBerry actually announced its collaboration with Amazon Web Services. The two aim to develop an intelligent vehicle data platform named BlackBerry Ivy, and this is actually a scalable, cloud-connected software platform that will allow automakers to provide a consistent and secure way to read vehicle sensor data. Again, BlackBerry is kind of shifting away from making cell phones and going more into making services such as cloud-based software. One thing that I find interesting is they're actually collaborating with the giant itself, Amazon, which makes me think, if they're actually working with Amazon, this company could actually have potential. Another thing is, what if Amazon just decides to buy BlackBerry? Again, I'm not saying that that could happen, but it could happen. Another thing is BlackBerry recently revealed that it sold 90 patents to the Chinese giant Huawei, which is another cell phone company or an internet company. And again, this is also just more hype and more partnerships that BlackBerry is kind of introducing, which has a lot of potential for the company itself. So BlackBerry has been trying to grow its business by selling intelligent security software and services to companies as well as governments. And again, with the whole Amazon partnership, another thing to note is with the Ivy software, they are going to be addressing a big market opportunity, and they're targeting it to be used in 2023 model vehicles. Again, very interesting to note that they actually have a lot of things going on for the long term, even though their short term may not be as, relevant or even profitable. In my opinion, I can't really see myself buying BlackBerry at current prices, but with all the news and seeing all the partnerships it has, I could see myself picking up a few shares just for the sake of it. Again, this is a stock that has been recently pumped up, and always remember, buy low, sell high. Another thing is, this isn't investment advice. I'm not telling you to buy the stock or buy any shares. What I am saying is, hey, keep an eye out, definitely add it to your watch list, because if these partnerships do actually take off, I can definitely see BlackBerry becoming one of those stocks that maybe hits like $50 or $100. Within a few years, not within a few weeks, not within a few months. It's going to be interesting to see what happens with the stock, and if there is anything crazy that comes up, I'll be sure to cover it on my channel, so make sure you subscribe. And another thing to note is, down below there's actually a link where you can buy stocks and get free money to buy stocks, as well as a free Discord channel for us to, talk about stocks, investing, real estate, whatnot. My name is Radies, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And until next time, remember, stay seeking success.